In general, we will go to effects and then we will turn off the background, so you can see it became invisible, means transparent. And then we will change the color of these bars. So we will go to visual, and then in the columns we will change the color to this one. See how beautiful it is appearing now. And now we are also applying some formatting to columns, like we will switch on the borders and we will be thickening the border to 2, and you can also thicken it more. So this is our first chart, and we will also do formatting. Now we will edit the x-axis and y-axis values. So in the visual we will bold it and increased the font size, and for y-axis also we will do the same. We will increase some font size and will make it bold. You can see this. We are almost done. We will also edit the title. Now it looks beautiful. And now we will also background visual border is turned on. So you can see after turning on the visual border, you can see the border of the chart, this one. And now we will also thicken it, visual border, and we will also round the corners, see, like this. Now it is perfectly okay, and we will resize it. And yeah, one more thing is